Learning is earning. In this digital era, continuous learning is the currency of success. But if I say learning fast is the key, it will help you to stand out from the competition. The ability to learn and apply new knowledge is an invaluable asset. It helps you to become irreplaceable. In this video, I will share an effective method that you can use with ChatGPT to learn anything fast, step by step. It is known as STEP technique based on Pareto principle, also known as 80-20 rule. In case you are not aware of Pareto principle, it says 80% of the results comes from just 20% of the efforts. And I have used STEP technique to learning many new concepts. And here, for the demonstration purpose, I will use JavaScript. Let's say you have to learn JavaScript using STEP technique. How you can learn fast. Here the S stands for Seek Core Concepts. And here I will use a simple prompt. Can you share the core concepts in JavaScript? Only those 80% of concepts that will yield 80% of the results. Now you will have a list of core concepts. This is your core area, to be honest, which you want to learn first. And now I will move to the T of STEP technique. Trace study material. And in this case, trace study material for JavaScript. I will ask ChatGPT in this way. Could you recommend study material for the core 20% of JavaScript concepts? Now, did you notice? ChatGPT provides you all different kinds of resources from online documentation and tutorials, books, interactive platform, video courses, blogs, and more. And now it depends on your learning style. Personally, I always prefer online official documentation. Do you know why? Official documentations are always up to date, comes directly from the industry experts, highly accurate and detailed, include helpful examples, share best practices, and the list goes on. The beauty of learning is there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Choose your path that feels right to you and trust in your own process. And now you have a list of core concepts and you have resources. It's time for the learning and actual practice. And the best way? To start your own project. And that's the next part of STEP technique. Engage with your project. Start small, maybe with your Hello World example. Simply use what you have learned so far. These projects help you remember better. And trust me, with this way, you will enjoy the satisfaction of creating something. The best approach is, once you learn a concept, try to implement it. Even if it's a basic concept in JavaScript, like additions, subtraction, you can craft a simple piece of code like this. By actively coding as you learn, you reinforce your understanding and gain practical experience. Now let's jump on the last part of STEP technique. P. Progress beyond basics. And here is the real fun begins. Once you have a strong foundation, push forward into more advanced topic. Challenge yourself and explore the depth of the subject. Now the next $1 million question is how to learn advanced concepts fast. It's simple. Just use the STEP technique to learn advanced concepts. Let's start with S again. Seek. But this time you will seek with a twist. Seek advanced concept. And now I will use the prompt. Can you share advanced concepts in JavaScript? Those 40% concepts that will yield 80% of the results. And it will suggest you those concepts that will take your learning to the next level. Did you notice this time? It's suggesting the concept like design patterns, memory management, about async programming, and more. And once you're happy with the study material, it's time to move to T again. Trace advanced study material for JavaScript. And you can simply use the prompt like, could you recommend study material for the advanced 20% of JavaScript? And again, it will provide you all different kinds of resources from online documentation, tutorials, books, interactive platform, video courses, and so on. Also, this time it will suggest you resources like design patterns, functional programming, and advanced patterns and more. And now again, it's time to do some practice. This is what the E of STEP technique. Engage with a project. I would suggest that if you are learning advanced concept, create a GitHub repository and save your work there for several good reasons. The key reason is portfolio building. A GitHub repository can serve as a showcase for your projects and skills, which can be beneficial for your career. Do you remember the very first line of this video? Learning is earning. And this step is crucial. While learning, build your portfolio. It helps you to secure a good job and advance in your career by demonstrating your practical skills and commitment to potential employers. Building a strong portfolio on GitHub can make you a more attractive candidate in the competitive job market. It allows you to stand out among other candidates and potentially leading to a better career opportunity. And the best part, you can use STEP technique to learn anything fast. Combining the power of ChatGPT with the STEP technique offers a dynamic approach to learning. It not only makes the process efficient but also enjoyable. So next time when you're faced with a daunting subject, remember, and you will be well on your way to success. STEP technique with ChatGPT is a great way of learning. But be careful, here's a word of warning. It is easy to spend too much time to chat with ChatGPT, and you can easily lose track of your time. Just like how you watch too many shows on the internet, one after another. So when using ChatGPT next time, set your goals. Maybe even set a timer. It will help you to stay on the track. While ChatGPT is fun and helpful, always remember your main goal is to learn. Don't get lost in the chat of ChatGPT. Here's a popular saying, winners don't do different things, they do things differently. What is the mindset of successful programmers? How they think, how they react? If you would like to know more about mindset of successful programmers, here's the video. Also, I will add the link in the description. Thoughtful approach lays the foundation for writing clean and efficient code. And thanks for watching.